So this is Excel 5 and I'm just going to show you some basics in creating a chart. To create a simple chart, just highlight the information that you want to chart, and I'm just going to go with the default recommended chart. So you can select whichever chart you want and change it around, but I'm just going to go with recommended charts. That's where Excel will look at your data, analyze it a bit, and give you some suggestions of what chart might suit. And you can see there's quite a range of different ones. I'm just going to go with this second one here. So I'm just going to click on that and click OK, and there's my chart. If I want to put it on a separate sheet, I can go move chart and tell it to put it on a new sheet, like so. And you can see that it's a separate sheet, and there's the chart, and you can modify it the same way as you can when it's on the sheet. So I'm just going to pop it so that it's back on the sheet just for ease of this. Back into an object as sheet 1. I can grow it a little bit, just make it a little bit bigger if I want. And of course I can move, whoops, undo that. And of course I can move it to a different spot if I wanted to, so I can put it underneath, for example, or over here. Things that I can do, I can change the chart style. So there's a whole range of different styles I can use if I want. Just keep it back to that one. I can change the colors, different color scheme, and I can add chart elements. So I can add axes, I can add titles, and I can do a little bit of basics of where I put them. This already has a bit of a title there, it's just called chart title, but of course I can change that and put my own title, and I could put sales forecast. So you can just add things and change things around if you want to. Make it a little bit bigger again so it's easy to see. I can do things like switch the row and column. So at the moment we've got the names down the bottom. If I was to go switch column row, it would put the months down the bottom, and you can see now the total sales for each month and what each sales represents on that particular chart. Change it back, just click on that. Any of the things that you want you can change, you can just select. So you can select different colors, you can select a legend and change it, you can select down there and change it. And you can move things around, as I said before. So if you want to put the data labels somewhere else, then you can add them. At the moment there's none. You can add them. Same with things like the legend. At the moment it's at the bottom. If I want it at the top, I can put it at the top. So just some basic things that you can change. There's really not much to doing charts in the basic format. Once you've got it there, you want to change the chart type, you can put it to whatever type you want. Obviously, depending on your data, there are some charts that are going to represent your data better than other choices, but that's essentially it. And yeah, simple charts.